Share profile on Tweets. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share your profile on Tweets to other application or to messages. So first thing, you can go to Tweets, click on your profile, and you will find here this icon, share profile. Tap on it. So there is three ways. First thing, you can share it by Gmail, or you have applications here like you see, or you can copy the link from here. So once you tap on it, the link has copied, so now you can share your profile to any other profile or conversations or applications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.